Hi guys, if you're getting this runtime error 339 component ms something file name or one of its dependency not correctly registered, a file is missing or invalid. In my case, the file name is this. In your case, the file name may be different, but the error is like this. Then how to fix this? So for that, what you have to do, you have to just go to this link. Okay, I have pasted this link in the description of this video. Just click on this link or paste this link in any browser to go there and download the file. Now once you have downloaded it, now you have to, what you have to do, you have to just open any unzipping application like 7-zip. Okay, and now we will try to extract it here. Just select this file here and extract it. Once you have extracted it, now go inside this and try to find that particular file which was giving you the error. Okay, let's assume this is this file. Okay, so just note down the name and copy the file. Now you have to go to your local disk C and then go to syswow64, assuming your computer is 64-bit. If you have 32-bit, this method is not for you. So just go to C and then Windows and then go to syswow64. This is the folder, and paste that file here. Once you have pasted, we have to re-register it, and for that search CMD, right click on it and click on run as administrator. Now once you open this, you have to run these commands. Just copy this command and then register that particular file. Okay, so in my case, this is the file, so I'll change it to the file which I have copied and pasted, and now run the second part of the command. Okay, and that's it. Your problem will be fixed. Thanks for watching. Please don't forget to like and